We sell so many of these cars and we rate them so highly. Range Rover Sport SVR, 575 horsepower. This one's a little bit unique because it's got some beautiful little extras which have been added. So it's got some extra carbon bits which just set the car off. But the mileage is superb as well, 7,800 miles, unbelievable miles, and priced on the money to sell 89,990. Estoril Blue, the flagship SVR launch colour. But if we look at the detailing, so if we look at the badges on the front of this one, you've got the carbon fibre Range Rover badge, you've got the bonnet vents, got the carbon surrounds, carbon here on the side vents, carbon mirrors, and then as we move around the back, where you've got that unbelievable big twin exhaust system, you've got the badging and the carbon strip there. But, you know, and I've said this in previous videos, there's not a better car for the way these cars drive, perform, and every day if you want a sports car in a four-wheel drive, but it's practical and bags of space, there's no better. There's no better at all. This car's got a contrasting black roof, which is superb. And then inside, for me, this car, it's all keyless. It's got the best interior. The two-tone ivory and black with a two-tone steering wheel, with the SVR performance seats, just sets the car off unbelievably well. You've got all your different memory options. You've got a heated steering wheel. We've got a sliding panoramic sunroof. You've got the beautiful ambient lighting that runs through it. You've got a beautiful Alcantara roof lining. And I think just with the colour, the mileage, and then them extra carbon fibre sections on the car, they just set the car off unbelievably well. The car, go and have a little sound of this exhaust, because the car just sounds awesome. Unbelievable exhaust system on it, switchable, you can do it all off here. You've got your touchscreen navigation system, which is all your touchscreen cameras, Apple CarPlay, all the things you would expect, but people buy these cars for the performance. 575 horsepower, but then also the looks. The ambient lighting actually changes. If you look here, when you put it into dynamic sports mode with a sports exhaust, the actual interior lighting changes. Little things like that which just make it a little bit more unique. Again, on the mirrors here, you've got blind spot assist, so you see that little orange light on the mirror. In the back, you've got rear heated seat. And then you've got them big exhausts, you've got the privacy glass. The car just looks superb. LED rear lights. And we've priced it to sell. Look online and look at mileages of cars. Look at the specs of cars and colour combinations. That car's got the right spec, the right colour, the right interior and the right miles. Range Rover Sport SVR.